Welcome to our Python programming series. In this journey, we'll explore the fundamentals of Python, one of the most popular programming languages today. So, let's get started, shall we? Alright, let's dive into the basics of Python. Python is known for its simplicity and readability, making it a great choice for beginners. It uses indentation to define the structure of code, which helps keep everything clean and organized. You'll love how intuitive it is. Now let's talk about data types and variables. In Python, variables are used to store data, and the type of data can vary. You have integers, floating point numbers, strings, and more. Understanding these basic types is crucial for effective programming. Moving on to control flow, this is where Python really shines. Control flow statements like if, for, and while allow you to dictate the direction your code takes, based on conditions and loops. This is essential for creating dynamic and responsive programs. So let's talk about functions. Functions are reusable pieces of code that perform a specific task. They help in making the code more modular and easier to manage. You can define a function using the keyword, followed by the function name and parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you can specify parameters that the function accepts. When you call the function, you provide arguments for these parameters. Functions can also return values using the statement. This allows the function to send back a result to the caller. Moving on to modules and packages. A module is simply a file containing Python code, which can include functions, classes, and variables. By organizing code into modules, you can keep related code together and make it more manageable. To use a module in another file, you can use the statement. Packages, on the other hand, are a way of organizing related modules into a directory hierarchy. Each package is a directory that contains a special file, which indicates that the directory is a package. This structure helps in organizing and managing larger code bases. Now let's delve into file handling. File handling is an essential skill for any programmer. In Python, you can open a file using the function. This function takes the file name and the mode in which you want to open the file, such as read, write, or append. Once the file is open, you can read from it or write to it using various methods. It's important to close the file after you're done to free up system resources. You can do this using the method or by using a statement to handle the file, which ensures the file is closed automatically. Alright, let's dive into error handling. It's crucial to write code that doesn't just work, but also handles unexpected situations gracefully. By anticipating errors and managing them properly, we can create more robust and reliable applications. Now let's talk about object-oriented programming, or OOP. This paradigm is all about organizing code into objects, which can contain both data and methods. OOP helps in structuring complex programs by breaking them down into manageable pieces, making it easier to understand, maintain, and scale. Moving on to advanced topics, we enter the realm of more sophisticated concepts and techniques. These might include things like concurrency, design patterns, or even exploring new programming languages. Delving into these areas can significantly enhance your skill set and open up new possibilities in software development. Well, we've reached the end of our journey. We've covered a lot, from the basics to more advanced topics. Remember, the key to mastering any skill is practice and persistence. Keep coding, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep learning. Thank you for joining us, and happy coding.